Okay, this is my face. I'm gonna fuck with that bitch. Okay, hit me. Okay. Don't fuck with his ass. Okay. Excuse me. Hi, Shadow. Hi, baby boy. There you go. Come here. Ardo.
You don't want it?
I don't want this shit.
The skate park was kind of cool being there.
Okay. Get his ass, Shadow! Get his ass! Get cat.
Я не, вон. Я не знаю, если у меня руки чистые.
Hi, Shadow. Hi, cuteness. What the hell is that?
Бери сколько хочешь. Я положил уже, говорю, забери, если хочешь, можно.
Shadow, don't be scared. Why are you scared? Boy, don't be scared. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Scared? Go look at him.
What is? Oh, that just was like peaches.
How do this? Shadow.
So pretty.
Shadow. You want him?
You can take some if you want. You can like shine and you make it shine in a microwave.
That's what I'm trying to do. Hold on. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's good shit. It's already squashed. Excuse me, Shadow. Still look mad as shit.
Yeah, he just woke up and probably doesn't feel ill.
Yeah, I don't know why.
And I went to like when I wake up, I'm jumping and fall back asleep.
He's always grumpy. That motherfucker always is. You know, Phil was this bitch ass.
Если будет цифра в этом балансе, в этом балансе, 10 долларов не дать. Я думал, мне вообще $3 не дадут. Хочешь равиоли? Хотел равиоли. Смотри, банку. Я не знаю, что потребно, не знаю. Oh, there's bell peppers. Sweet peppers in the box. Что? Black pepper? Just like shredded peppers, like your word. На, вот так крути. хочешь капусту кислую? Я же открою капусту.
I'm gonna get that too.
Yeah, you get it and take it to
I'm gonna put karma right here. Like that. I want that name. Cardinal.
Pickles. Мама. Мама огурцы кислые привезла. Хочешь один?
No.
Окей.
Smokey, if you don't stop being a pussy, come on, cat. Stop being scared, shot. Smokey.
Пенте. Пенте, давай.
Are you trying to cook something?
No, I'm trying to find a knife or a can opener. Because I'm trying to open sauerkraut. See, I don't know if it's going to work. If it's a good can opener or not.
Not this one.
No, this one's not yet.
Oh.
If you want to put that back in.
No. Oh. Water? No?
No, I don't need a spoon. I need a can opener to open this, yeah.
This motherfucker's getting washed all the way over. Is there more, garlic? Hi, Shadow. Got a big piece of. Are you hungry? What? Yeah, look at this guy. He's so cute. Hi, Shadow. Yeah, but see y'all. Look at this guy. He's so cute. Hi, Shadow. Hi, baby boy. Hi, Kashak. Hi, Kodik. Look at that face, y'all. Look at that face, Kodik. Oh shit. Yeah. Look at that face, yeah. Look at his face. He's so cute. Shadow. Come here, Kodik. Shadow, you're so cute.
Если немного, скажи. Ну, ты можешь потом оставить на следующее время.
I'm sorry. shut the hell up. Smokey. Okay, why act like a bitch? Smokey. Smokey, just step back like a bitch. Bitch!
She's complaining with being held, dude.
Look at this, yo. Smokey, step back like a bitch, okay? Come here, Cookie. Smokey, stop being a cunt. I'll shut the hell up. Smokey, trying to beat his ass.
Oh my god, boiling!
Oh shit! Good thing you cut that shit.
I heard it, yeah.
I'm sorry, I was trying
You
to
have to stir it.
I know I was trying to get distracted with the cat, my bad.
Was it eggs or what is this?
Eggs. It's too picky.
Oh.
I crushed it up. I hate all of them fucking noodles in my fucking teeth. This shit hurt my fucking teeth.
I just heard like, I thought it was just like barely boiling, yeah.
You're... Which one's from... God damn, that shit.
It's all frozen, yeah.
I'm not cooked though. I'm like two. Where's this? You cooking?
You put bell peppers in supiki raga.
Yeah.
Sweet peppers.
I might have to. Where the fuck they at?
Right here.
Okay. The whole thing?
You can break them into pieces and wherever you want to
You
eat
want
it.
half of it?
No, I have peppers in my room. I'm good.
I'm sick of this motherfucker. I don't care this motherfucker over here. That might hate this shit. Bitch! Shit hurt my teeth. What's this shit? This one's bullshit. Okay. Does this give it pretty
No.
black?
They're just good for you, yeah, to make food. To put in your food.
Looks like get rid of this thing. I hate them bitches. These things are nasty as fuck. I don't know. This one's fuck. Do you help?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm trying to help Mom open that bag.
Alright.
It's okay, I got it.
I'm so tired of the fucking bag. This don't boil over.
Mom by range. That's good.
Yeah, about fucking time. We're trying to cause less arguments. That's why I'm recording. Because every time I come in the kitchen, it's always a fucking problem. Let's see how much a problem it is when I'm recording. Can't even come in the kitchen without being fucked with. Any water?
No.
so cute. She's adorable. Hey, Lily, get the food! Lily!
She's like what?
Food. 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 What the fuck?
Hey, there's pickles. You can make soup if you
No,
want.
Lily, you want to eat some bull dick?
The what? The bald dick.
Yeah,
A
for real.
bald dick.
Bald dick. Just kidding, bald dick.
Yes. No, for real, bulls. You know, because like it looks like, yeah, thank you.
I'll go upstairs.
Looks like ball sex, you know what I'm saying? Well, I'm gonna be in front. I'm gonna be right front. I just love being annoying. Like, it's fucking amazing. Thank you, God. Thank you for making me not give a fuck out.
I need some water, yeah.
I'm so far like there, man.
Yeah, I need to take some to my room, yeah, because...
No, put it in the fucking fountain, you know? Have you ever been slowly tortured, you know?
Have you ever been sold to slavery? Huh? Yeah, they were walking, remember, leave. Run, run!
Oh, does he eat meat?
He's barking. Hey, Hamka, немец собака, быстрей!
Does he eat meat?
Right, no, you can't feed him. That's somebody else's dog, right?
Then fuck them bitches.
No, they never. They have sitka. They won't let it out.
Of course, that's the fucking bull. I thought you were outside, my bad.
He looks younger than Quinn. Quinn would have had a bigger face than him.
What the hell is this?
I
thought it was a big cucumber.
It looks like it looks like squash.
Your ass.
I think squash.
Wait, can I ask you a question? Wait, can I ask you a question? For real, like, Lily, can I dead ass ask you a question for real? Lily, can I seriously ask a question? Can we squash? Can we squash the beef? Oh!
Arda, you.
Get it? Squash the beef? Okay. Yeah. Oh, I don't know when we tried to hit the corner. I'm sorry. I just thought about it. But then my shit started.
That's a good one there. You got me there.
No, you definitely got, told, you
Wait,
know?
what is the beef? Where is that from?
We caught up a fucking donkey.
Is that from today?
No, that's from a million years ago, you know?
No, seriously, is that from today?
I don't fucking know. Yesterday they went to a fucking store.
No, that kind of bad.
Just like, well, I think my shit started, man. God, I fucking hate being a woman. It's hard as a bitch. These whole things, shit. Well, I'm sorry. God damn, I'm sick of these hoes. Well, them hoes are kicking in, them cramps. Oh. I love being a woman, though. Don't you just love being tortured? Like, I love that feeling. I love when my organs are being fucking ripped out of my stomach. Like, I love that feeling, It feels amazing. Oh, you ever, got stabbed in the stomach, That feels, bitch! Stupid ass. Well, Bully, I'm gonna go, I hope, bitch, and I don't give a fuck. Bitch! I'm so petrified that I lost the fuck to give. I'm so petrified that I can't give a single fuck. I'm so damn shy. Shadow, let's see, I just have to record this in case so I can be left the fuck alone. Would you help? Come here, Shadow. Blech. Oh my god. Shadow. Bitch. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Where the fuck is that? Blech. Wait, what? Beat. Okay. Are you nuts? Exactly. What I know? I know, Shadow. I know, Shadow. You said what? You said what? Come here, Shadow. I know. Shadow. I'm sorry. Shadow won't shut the hell up. That's what. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be in your way. Тёма? А пошел нахуй!